I want to show you all, it's a prototype, but hopefully we'll be able to make one of these for each showroom and each location. This is a concept that shows all of our different lighting. The only light that's not shown on here is the interior SILK light and SILK blue light or SIL light. That's the drawer light that attaches and focuses into the drawer. It's either white and blue for sanitizing, or it's multicolored 3-stage light. It's not on this board because it's surface mounted, and most of you have that in the showroom. You're familiar with it. But the other lights on here, we have the Melindy, the Manila, we have the new very low profile thin light. Some of these have a milkier lens than others. Some of them are available in black, what we're showing instead of the stainless trim. We'll label them, and we're going to show all of the lights. We're not going to show them in every color, but we are showing the black and the stainless color. The profiles that we'll get for each of you will have the new high intensity LED light. So this one particularly still has the previous tape, but we'll make sure that that's updated in the actual kit. But we'll mount them all, recess them into grooves, and we also have the puck light, which is important. And then on the back here, we've mounted a driver and the door sensor switch, and also the receiver and remote control, so that we can demonstrate this. You can actually just hook this up and show a customer what the different light would look like. So of course, this is the kind of the original that we've had for some time now. It has a dimensional profile to it, a metal track. It's a little bit more three-dimensional in terms of it sticks out from the cabinet a little bit. Very nice profile that we've had for a few years now is this trimless kind of full lens profile. And I think it's the LEMF or the LEDF. It's the great option for when you're doing this through adjustable shelving, vertically down the side of a cabinet, or under cabinet lighting as well. These two are very direct lights. And then we have the two angled lights that are directional in an angled way. This kind of light here, this new one, this is the kind of light that we're using when we're doing glance profiles. And you want to match the type of LED light that is built into the glance system. It's a 5mm tape, so it's much smaller, but it's still very bright. And then we have the larger profile, which is using the standard 10mm tape, and that's a little bit bigger. So all of these are multi-white, including the puck light, and they can all be combined on the same driver system. They're all 24 volts. All of our LEDs now, with just a few holdouts that we had left over from the SILK, the drawer lights, they will all be 24 volts. So it'll be very easy to control and combine them and not have to worry about what system we are using. And we hope to have one of these sample boards to each of you as soon as we can.